And now it's time for the dignitaries to make their way out to the centre of the field. And tonight we have Mr. Susant Kumar Raut, Honourable Member of Odisha Legislative Assembly, Dr. Aravinda Kumar Padhi, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment of the Government of Odisha. We also have Mr. Sekhar J. Manoharan, Treasurer of Hockey India, Mr. Alok Sanghi, franchise owner of the Hyderabad Tufans, and we had Archbishop Reverend John Barwa, and they're all being accompanied by the Commander R.K. Srivastava, Director General of Hockey India. Well, my name's Ashley Morrison, and I'm with you once again to guide you through this bronze medal match. And alongside me, off his sick bed, it sounds, is former Indian international and Asian Games gold medalist Sandeep Somesh.
Good evening, Ashley. A very happy Republic Day to you and to all our viewers, wherever you might be. Yes, I just think this is going to boil down to the mental toughness of the players. You know, the bronze medal match, like you said, is not something they want to play for. But yes, they have a chance of coming away with a medal, and that is what they will want.
Well, it's also a case of winning your final game. And yes, a very happy Republic Day to everybody in India. Namaskar. And obviously we wish everyone in Australia a happy Australia Day as well. There are a few Australians participating in this match tonight, and I'm sure there's a few tuning in at home. Well, the dignitaries are reaching the end of the line now, and they're taking up their positions just to the right of all the players as we look at them. And so once they're in position, we will now have the national anthem of India.
To please stand for the national anthem. आप सभी से गुजारिश है, कृपया भारत के राष्ट्रीय गान के लिए खड़े हो जाएं और साथ गाएं।